Greetings and welcome to 3dmotive.com. My name is Alan Thorn and I'll be your instructor on this comprehensive course for an introduction to C# programming for Unity games. Here in this course, you'll learn the fundamentals of programming to create an interesting shooter game. You don't need any previous experience at programming, you just need a free copy of Unity and plenty of determination. Some courses spend days and weeks covering the foundations of programming, but in the space of just a few hours, I'll show you everything you need to get up and running with confidence at programming in Unity. You'll see how to make objects move and rotate, how to handle player input and controls, how to create weapon systems and health functionality, how to play music and sound effects, and how to make your levels work as a complete game. We'll explore critical programming concepts like variables, functions, loops, classes, conditional statements, components, and event-driven programming, plus lots more. There's plenty to see and do on this comprehensive course, so let's get started at programming games with 3dmotive.com.